pull this dash cam apart, make sure that you rotate the lens so it's facing downwards.
In this photo I show you the location of the two screws that you need to remove before you'll be able to crack open the shell. Really important to remove these two screws
of your car. Now this is a really tight module to get out. Make sure you remove the memory, the SD card, the micro SD card. Make sure you remove that. If you don't, you'll break it. Talking from experience, you will break it. Okay, so what I need to do is get some leverage in here. The best way is to start down here. That's what I've found. And what I've done is I've got here like a little crowbar. This one happened to come from a dashcam company. I fold this down so I have a sharper end on it. You need something pretty pointy to get in here. So go in there like this, and you have to be pretty brutal. There we go, I can hear it clicking. There we go. I've cracked it. Can you see? Went back. It wants to go back in. You just have to be persistent. And there like that. Now we'll run down here. Same thing. There we go. Look at that. Cracked. Now right round. It's a really well made unit. Sort of expect that from 70mm, to be honest. I'm rotating my hand a little bit. I am buckling the frame slightly. It should be alright. There we go, we've got it to click. Clicking out. Get to here. This is where the memory card would have been an issue. You would have got the memory slot caught here. So just there we go. It should come out now. There it is. So getting it on the right angle just allows it to come away. And to remove the battery is just a matter of unsticking this and then unplugging that. That's really how simple it is. Push that home. Put the battery back in, and put the batteries back in the right spot. Seated it tight. Check that no other leads disconnected. Make sure this lens is still in the right position, pointing down. Place this in here like that. So you want to put it in on an angle like this and end it down and just clamp it shut. There we go. Best to start on this side when you're clamping it back down. It's just a little bit still out. You she goes. Wonderful. Buttons are working. Good. Good power test again. And there we have it. That's what we can find. What's a memory card? It's all good. It proves the battery's working because it's taking its time to shut down. Well, that's how you replace a battery in an A810 70mm dash cam. Thanks for watching.